Hi, welcome back to Carfagna's. I'm Amanda, your head bartender, and today I'm going to be walking you through our drink, the Ed's Perfect Manhattan. That's on our signature cocktail list. So traditionally, a Perfect Manhattan is going to come with two types of vermouth. So we have Antica Formula here and Bianca Carpano here. But for our base, we're going to start with local Watershed 4-year bourbon. We're going to go ahead and do an ounce and a half of that. And then for these vermouths, we're just going to do equal parts, so a ½ ounce of each. And then we also use two types of bitters. So we're going to start with black walnut, 2 dashes, and Angostura bitters, 1 dash here. And then we're going to go ahead and ice that. We're going to give it a good stir. Get everything incorporated, nice and chilled, because this drink is served up in a coupe glass. Strain into our coupe. And for the garnish here, we like to use a fresh orange peel. We'll go ahead and express the oils right over the cocktail. So you'll get wonderful notes coming through your nose while you're drinking this one. And we also like to use a vermouth soaked cherry as well. Like that. We'll go ahead and drop it in. And there you have it, Carfagna's Ed's Manhattan.